They sat around a mother. That mother is Mother Mary. Sat around the mother, Acts chapter 1:14. They looked up to heaven through prayer. For the feast of Pentecost, this Sunday we are going to celebrate. Mother Mary, their disciples over there, little Bethany, like a hen gathers chicks around the mother, gathered disciples and looked up to heaven, waited for the Holy Spirit, prayed to the Father. Are you not that Father? Are you not having the grace of that mother in you? Yes, you have that grace. My mother and our mothers were the first ones who helped us to look up to heaven. Feast of Ascension is a feast of hope. Disciples came over there, like a dambu hope dikina. Jesus the heaven guy said, what was the hope? I am going to heaven to send another advocate, the Holy Spirit. Mothers, you are the one giving us hope. From our childhood till today, giving us hope. That too, helping us through prayer. Mother Mary laga dangor ekta example makando sabole parato John chapter 2 verse 1 to 11. The marriage feast at Cana. Ektam dukte problem de tagana ka family te hope diya se, taikenge koya se. Listen to him. Listen to Jesus. Yes, this is what you did for us. Mother Mary Mesera, amakange Jesus ke yak kuru bole. Jesus ke listen kuru bole. Jesus ke dekhai diya tara mother ke amakango sabole pare John chapter 2 te. That is the first mother on top. Therefore, all of you dear mothers, you take the role of Mother Mary in your family. If not, you should take. You should take the role of gathering your children around you, giving the grace to look up to heaven, give them, point out Christ to them, asking them to listen to Jesus. Thank you for taking the role of Mother Mary, helping us to pray and look at Jesus. If not, I pray from the Feast of Ascension, begin that. My dear brothers and sisters, the second mother represents our own mother. I like to give a small testimony of my mother to you. Moi ekdam chotu tanga time de class 3 te puri tanga time de. Moi school para lunch break nimite ek din de karte aa time de. Moi laga ma moi logote rice and curry di tang se lunch break de. Karto school usat taga para makan to karte jabore pare. Jaikena ek khanda break ase. Tate jaikena baat ka time de. Class 3 te pura time de. Moi laga ma moi logote baat and curry di taga time de. Moi logote puri taga moi logote eki class te puri taga moi laga neighbor came to my home with uniform, came for the lunch break with a container, asking my mother, Mummy, give me little rice water to drink. My mother tied a half para in tiffin box, loikena, the container loikena, tied a tiffin box, barta rice halidise, aru tate moi kalaga tharidi halidise. Aru moi laga class pite pura laga chokra neighbor jam pichete, moi laga ma logote, ekam innocent ayas. He only asked for the rice water, then why did you give rice and curry? My mother sat close to me and said, he is like you. He also came from the school, hungry like you. You want him to drink only the rice water, or do you want him to eat the rice what you are eating? As a child of class 3, she taught me a beautiful lesson in my life. She was not only my mother, she was my teacher. Teaching taught me a lesson to be a human being. Yes, mothers, yes, dear teach a human being को बोले लगा प्रत्येक मानव लोगों ते मुरम को बोले लगा teacher हो निमित्ते मवेश का लोगों ते congratulations दिया से if not you have to be that to teach us to be a human being, teach every child to be a human being, having concern and love for the poor. Our mothers used to give coin in our hand when beggars come to home. Not that they cannot give. They taught us how to give money to the poor through us. That is what mummies teach us. Thank you, mothers, teaching us to be a human being, teaching us wonderful lesson to show concern and love to other person. Third, mother, the example of the Tagato. 2 days back, moi eta viral taga, eta South India taga, eta viral taga, eta video to dekhi se, sabole mo taga kane mo teacher te dekhai dibo. An example of a Catholic woman, Rose, blind mother. Ekton suku sabole na para taga ilu ma. Tayo kam for the last 10 years, ilu mato lottery ticket to pigri kora na kama se tayo kam to. Tayo mota to 2 years back te murise, aru tayo di blind tansle, aru ilu ma di blind ase tayo kam to lottery ticket pigri kora to. Rasta usate moye hometown ne rasta usate tayo bohibo ticket loi kena, aru manuka nahi kena ticket logo paisa hari kena jai kare. For the last few days, or maybe last week, tayo jani loise, tayo na ticket ho to, ar paana ka paisa to alag. Ticket to bisi jai tage, paisa to kam ni pai tage. Manu para tayo na account kori ke na ko to, ticket to bisi jai, paisa to kam ni ase. Tayo to duk paisa manu chor kori ase, to he ticket loi ke na paisa na hale. ताई दूसरा एक जन लोगों ते ताई लगा प्रॉब्लम तो ताई लगा दिखा तो शेयर कर दी से इधर टाइम पे इधर मानो ताई के कोई से एक ता पेंसिल नो द पेन कैमरा हरी पेन कैमरा हरी ताई लगा फोटो ते अफ्रीकन दिखे साफ रहता है एक ता पेन कैमरा हरी ना ताई फिगर बोले कोई तरह मानो का आता है ताई तो और कोई वो शी टू पुट ऑन दैट पेन कैमरा all of the picture में ताई जानी लोग से ताई लगा टिकट पहला निशाना लॉस हुआ है पैसा तो ना पाए आलू ताई एक काम करे से after 3-4 days कुल ताई लोगों का टाइम दे ताई को ए अपनी कोई लगा टिकट तो एक्स्ट्रा लो या से ना आए कुंभा सामान का कोई तके ना लोए आलू ताई kan ko natagile ekunai moi idologo tataga pen camera police ke di police moi logo tataga pen camera koi police ke di police ido time de dule chapra ka tailo de koise sorry taika to dai lo se pen camera pe 3-4 days kai to camera pe ido tai to record kori ke nase tai pra koise sorry I will repeat na korbo ide time de ido ma tayo taika logo te koise ठीक আছে mo idu pen kunge bi nadibo police ke bi nadibo dukya manukange inaka na kuribide idu piche de media manukango jani koise eka ekta baat insert ho jaye ke koi kena tai logo te jaye ke interview koise tai logo te koise ma apni suku samne na para daga manu inaka duk para daga manukange jail te khali di porage ma koise mo ekta ma se moi botai sadete girjate jai tage ma satin kore Jesus ke receive kora kana manu ase ma moi karte moi lega bacha kan logo te kara to ma di tage moi girjate jai ke na podi taga to forgiveness therefore taga logo te moi ma di ase dear mothers you are an icon of forgiveness every mother is an icon of forgiveness. When you have a child in your womb, till your death, you continue to forgive your children. That is mother. That is the beauty of a mother. Therefore, my dear brothers and mothers, African visit thanks, teaching us the lesson of forgiveness through your life. African, bye, Tana, Vachaka. message as a maaf diya naga. So you are an icon of forgiveness. Continue to be an icon of forgiveness. If not, like Rose, who gave us a beautiful example, I go to church every Sunday and I receive Jesus. If I don't practice what Jesus teach me, how can I go to church every Sunday? How can I be a mother? Let me be mother to everyone who comes to our life. So my dear brothers and sisters, my dear mothers, Aji amakan celebrate paralaga Feast of Ascension ke amakan pailaga duka message ase hope and prayer. Mothers, you give us hope, you help us to pray and teach others to pray and look at Jesus. Mothers, you are a beautiful teacher, teaching us to be a human being. Mothers, you are a beautiful mother, an icon of forgiveness. Continue to be that. God bless you, and our prayers are with you.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.